Yes. So just announcing. I'm announcing NumPy pandas and matplotlib on Monday, 10th, 10th Monday at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. This one, please register because more strength is there, students. Register now itself. Register now itself. Don't miss the classes. And one more thing, new batch, full stack Python, full stack Python on the 10th only, on 10th only, 10th Monday at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is 11 a.m. to 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is for you people. This is for you people. All of you must attend this. And this is a full stack Python. This is the full stack Python. Go to this place, 10th Monday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And I will keep the link for you in the Google Drive. I will keep the link for you in all Google Drive classes. There you can go for it. There you can go for it. Okay, students? Okay, ma? I'll keep the link. I'll keep the link in your respective Google Drive classes. Okay? Shall we move to the further? So to today's session, I'm going to introduce. So this that all of you inform to your friends and relatives about our new batch. About our new batch, full stack Python is also starting, right? So NumPy pandas batch also starting. So now I will go for the continuation class. Okay, students. Now I will move to the further. All of you intimate our NumPy pandas batch to your friends also, and about your friends, relatives, everybody about this announcement, students. Both the announcements, you go for it. Okay. So let us go to, I'm going to take up this problem solving statements and go to this problem now. So here I'm going to have it. Divya Ruprai, because of that two batches, my all slots becomes full mark. If any one of the slot is going to become empty, if it is going to be coming, there we will think about it. Okay, na? Right. Okay, let us start, students. Now I will go for continuation part of it. So this part, anyhow you inform, and this batch also you inform me. Right, ma, I will share it. Sandhya, I'll share it, ma, I will share it. In the Google Drive class, in the Google Classroom, I will share it. Right, go to the next one. Next one. Now I'm going to introduce, no students, this is a final time. This is a final timing, ma, already prepared it. Scheduled it. It is already scheduled it. Don't miss my classes. Right. So next, problem number 3, I'm going to introduce. Problem number 3. This is also one more important mechanism here. I'm going to talk about it. What is this concept I'm going to introduce here? So let me go for the problem number 3. So here I'm going to take up problem number 3. So I will go to this place. So here I will do with my account. I'll do with my account. Go to this place. So here I'm going to take up. So try to understand, students, here. So this is, I hope that it is more easiest question for you. This is a more easiest question for you, ma. So try to go to the code here. Now I'm going to go to the full screen, switch over to the full screen. Now I'm going to enter into this place. Look at this code, ma, all of you. So try to read out this question, all of you, ma, here. Try to understand this question. The main intention of keeping, I will keep regularly this type of what do you call code understanding and sentence understanding format. Consider the list, a list which is called empty here. You can perform the following commands. Number 1, insert I. What is the meaning of this insert I? Insert. That is nothing but insert I comma E. Can anybody can say what is this insert I comma E, which you learned in my class already? The insert an integer E at a position called what? I. Insert an integer E at a position called I. Right? Already insert function you already aware of it. Come on, students, you need to respond it. Did you learn this insert function? Right, done. Next, print the list. After inserting the data, you need to go for printing. These are the commands you need to perform. You need to print it. What will be coming because of that? One single element will be coming. One single element will be coming. So, because of that, what elements will be coming? Single element will be printed. Remove E. Remove E deletes the first occurrence of integer E. You know, remove function is used for removing the first occurrence of an element. It can't remove all the elements. It will remove only one occurrence only it will remove. It can't remove all the occurrences, students. So, coming to the point back, I'm going to take up one more kind of thing. Next, append E. Insert an integer E at the end of the list. What is the difference between first one and second one? What is the difference between insert and append of? Insert is used for inserting an element in the particular position, and this E appending an element at the end. Now I want to sort the data. Sorting. How do you sort the data? To sort the data must be what I said. Data must be what I said, ma. Come on, all of you. Data must be what type? It should be empty. It should be empty in the beginning. We are inserting, we are printing. And now I am going to sort the list. Sort the list. To sort the list, we are supposed to go for sort function to use it. Sort function, we need to use it. So, coming to the point back, after that, pop the last element. Pop with index is different from pop off. I said multiple pop things in the regular session. Next, reverse the list. Reversing the list also is there. Reversing the list. You know, once you say reverse, what will happen, ma? It is going to print the elements front to back and back to front. Now, initialize your list. Read the values of n followed by n lines. That means this n says that number of commands and how many lines of values you are going to execute. And the command will be of 7 types listed above. These are the 7 type of commands you are going to use it. Inserting an element, displaying the data, removing an element, appending, sorting, pop, and then reverse. We are supposed to take it. N is equal to 4. Come on, n is equal to 4. What is that? N is equal to 4. Append 1, append 2, append 1 comma 3. What is the first one represents? What is the first one represents, ma? That are called function names, and this 1, 2, 3, etc. are called what? These are called values to perform. It's a very important logic is there in that. Append 1, append 2, insert 1 comma 3. Because of this kind of thing, what will happen? 1 comma 2 it will become. Because of this, what will happen? 1 comma already 1 comma 3. That means it is going to become 3 and then 2 it is going to become. So this is going to be the 1 and next this is going to be the 1. And output print the array. They are saying 1, 3, 2. They are giving explanation also, students. Next, one more. Input. The first line contains an integer, means how many commands you are going to execute. 4. Next, denoting the number of commands. Who will read that? Input function will read. See the skeleton code what they are giving. Skeleton code they are giving. Next, each line I of n subsequent lines contains one of the commands described above. What type of commands are there? Insert, append, here. Insert, print, remove, etc. This kind of functions. Now what constraint? The elements added to the list must be an integers. Integer data only must be taken up because we are having sort function over there. Now sample input. Sample input. Based on this input only you need to take it. How many commands? Come on, all of you, how many comments? Respond, students, all of you. All of you respond, ma. How many comments are here? 12. What is this 12 represent, students? N. This represents what? N. This represents N here. Then 12 comments. Insert 0, comma 5, 1, comma 10, 0, comma 6. Print off 0, comma 5, 1, comma. What is the data here, ma? Because of these things, what will happen? Because of the first one, it is called 5. Because of the second, what will be happening here? 5, comma 10. 5 comma 10. Because of this, what will happen? 6 comma 5 comma 10. It will become. Now, remove 6. Remove 6. That means it is 6 is removed. What is the next value? Append 9. It is called 5 comma 10 comma 9. Append 1. 5 comma 9 comma 5 comma 10 comma 9 comma 1. So you command like this, printer, sorter, etc. Already students, you are understanding up to here. This is an output. When I say remove 6, this will be the output. When I say append 9, 9 will be appended. Students, be careful, ma. Insert, append 1, sorting. Once you sort the data, what will happen? This is going to be the data sorting. After that, printing. Once you say pop, pop means what? Last element is removed. The 10 is removed. 951. Now I want to write the code for it. Though it is looking simple, you need to be so careful enough in writing the code. Can I start writing the code now? Can I start writing the code now? Fine, students. All of you. Give a green signal to all of you. So let us start writing this code now. Now I'm writing. How many types of inputs I need to read? This is n. By default, it will read from the terminal. This 12 values will be read. 12. Now I need to write one for loop here. One for loop I will write it. What is the for loop I will write? I will take one array first of all. One array, one list I will take it. LST is equal to some empty I am taking. Why I am taking empty? To perform these many number of operations. How do you take it? Now I am going to write it. For I in range of n. For I in range of n. Come on, students. There I will write it. What is my concept here? N value, we got it. What is the n value here? 12. For I in range of 12, I got it. Next, I need to go for what? Very, very simplest part here. Input of students. Next, what is happening? They are going to read input of this entire thing they want to read. First time this is getting reading mark. This one. How you need to sensitively try to apply. Insert. How do you read this entire data? Can anybody can help me? Input of dot. What is this now? Input of dot. What I need to apply? Split. I need to apply. Input of dot what? Split. Dot split off. What the split says? Some space is required. Some space is there between that. Some space is there between that. And while you are giving that input, I am going to give the split. And students, before insert, if you go for insert, for example, of course, this is we are writing a sensitive code. This split, it we are going to take it. Because of this, what is happening? Because of these lines, what will happen? I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. Command is equal to input of dot split off. I am going to take it. Dot split off. Dot split off. Still, if you are very serious about it, suppose you are saying some input. What you are doing? Insert of this command you take once. So you are taking 0, 5. Some space you are pressing. Some space you are pressing before. To eliminate these leading spaces and trailing spaces, what you can apply? What you can apply? You can apply what? Strip you can apply. Strip. Already we discussed in our regular sessions. So I'm going to write it. Strip I'm going to take it strip dot split off. Input of strip dot split off. Can you catch me, ma? Can you catch me the statements? Input of dot strip of split. This will give you the command. Command. So what will be the answer will be coming because of this? What will be the answer will come because of that? Can you tell me now? Because of this kind of answer, what will be coming, mom? Can anybody can answer my concept here? Because of this kind of thing, you are going to get it what? List of commands will be coming. List commands. If you want, I will say list commands, I will get it. This list command is called which type? Answer it. List command is called which type? Our regular sessions. Which type? No, no, split. Split is there. That to split with space. Split with space. I said split with space. What is that? List. List type. Very good. List type. That means whenever you take this part, it is a list command is going to contain the data. What is that? Insert. Insert. Next is called what? 0. And next is called what? 5. 5. 5. This is a 0th index, first index, second index. And there is no rule that it is only insert. Maybe this kind of thing may be coming. Print. That time what will happen? Only print is there. Only print is there. That is called 0 only. So I need to go for writing the code. One if statement I will write it. What is that? The list command of what? I want to take the command. Index value always contains what? 0th index always contains what name? Command names only present. Command names are only present. So how do you write that command names? Here I am going to write it. First one I am going to write it. What is that now? If command list command of 0 cmd of 0 is equal to what operation I am going to write it? From which operation I am going to write, ma? Print is there, insert is there, append is there, sort, pop, reverse, print. So many are there. I will write it. If it is a printer, what I should do? If it is a printer, what should I do? I will write the code. If it is a printer, what code I need to write it? If it is the code, I will print what here? Print what here? LST. If my command is called print, I will print LST. Next, I will write it what? Elif list command of 0 is equal to what? Is equal to what I will do? Sort of. Sort is my function. Sort is my function. What to do there? Can anybody can answer my question, ma? Anybody can answer my question? LST dot sort of. Which order they are expected to sort in? Ascending order only. Ascending order only. That means every statement I am going to, because this is an input by default, it is taken by this platform. Sort of. Next, I will write it elif list command of what is this now? 0 is equal to what I am going to write it? Reverse. Any kind of order you can write it, not a necessary. Reverse. Because in my commands, these statements are there. That's why I'm writing it. Reverse. I'm going to write a reverse. Here I'm going to write a reverse. There I need to write what? LST dot reverse of. Reverse of I'm writing. Students, I hope you are following. Not difficulty for you. Elif of. Next I'm going to write it. Pop function I will write it. Pop. LST dot command of 0 is equal to pop off. Pop off. What I will do? LST dot. I'm going to write it. What is the command? Pop off. I will write it. Which element is removed? Because of pop off. See, because of this, which element is removed? Last element. Very good. Last element will be removed. Already we are well aware of it. Elif of. I'm going to write it. elif of lst dot command of 0 is equal to, I am going to write it, remove function. Remove. You see, all there are 12 commands are there. All the 12 commands related operations I am taking. These kind of commands are automatically taken by our platform. They are giving some skeleton code for you. For that code only we need to write the coding something like this. Next I will write it what now? LST dot remove of, I will write it what I need to write the remove of what value I need to write it. That is nothing but value in the sense whatever the value you are going to pass it. What the value we are having there, remove of value. And moreover, when the remove function is going to come, one important point more, where is the remove function here? When the remove function is coming in the command like this, what is the remove function skeleton here? This is called LST of 0. This is called LST CMD, which is containing 0, value called remove. And what is the value there? 6. 6. This is going to be known as what? This is called 1. What is this 1 is called? Value to be removed. What is the type of the 6? What is the type of the 6? Since I got input function, which is called which type? str type. I need to convert into which type, ma? Int of. Int of. Because they said that integer values only available, they said. What I will do, students, if you follow me, here I will write it. If you follow me, if you write it, value is equal to int of LST CMD of what? 1. Can you understand me? Did you understand this case? LST of CMD1 is going to be a str type. I'm going to convert it. I'm going to pass it VAL. Come on, mom, all the students, because coding is not a joke. Because coding, if you want to understand, you should have the complete knowledge about it. Okay. So this is called remove of value. Next, which one I need to write it? Append. Elif. Come on. LST command of LST CMD of what? 0 is equal to what? Append I am writing. Append. I am writing append. LST of CMD of append I am writing. Append also will contain what, ma'am? Append also you see. It is containing append. Append means this one. First one 0th place append is available. Append is available. This is called 9. 1 is available. So LST of CMD is called what? Append. Append is equal to append. It is true. Now I will go for keeping this data into LST. So I am going to take up here LST dot append of LST dot append of. What is the value I need to take it? Come on quickly. I need to know about it. Value. What is the value to be taken? Like earlier I took it now. That value I need to take it. I think you are enjoying this concept here. You are understanding this concept, append function. Next, which kind of command I need to write? Insert, I will take it. Insert. Elif, elif, lst command of what? 0 is equal to what? Insert, insert. There also I will write it. What is that statement? Value, lst dot, insert of that value comma what? What is that position here? Two positions are available here, students. What are that positions, mom? Two things you need to take it. Yes, Pavan. Very good. So it is going to be an insert. All of you think about it. Insert. Insert is going to contain what? Three commands. Number one is called what? Insert. This is called index. This is called the value called 5. For example, these things, if you take it. This is a 0th one. This is called first and then second. So this is called the command. This one is completed. One is called the position. And second one I will write it. This is called what, ma? I. This is called index. Next is called what? Value is equal to int of LST CMD of what? 2. 2. There I will write it. What is that now? Index comma what? Value. I think students you are getting more online students. So once you are attending this class means You are almost decided to understand any kind of logic which is coming from KVR. Okay. Almost you decided to understand any logic from coming from KVR and how much hard work we did during our course time. And all people practically knows. And this is very simple in front of you. So I hope that this is more clear. Insert of what? Index comma value. How many commands I wrote, ma? Print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next is called what? 7. I wrote almost 7. And every type of command is written. Of course, insert. These are all called insert only, one only. Print, remove. This is called 2, 3. Append. This is also called 4. And sort, 5. Print is already gone. And pop, this is called 6. And reverse, this is called 7. 7 kind of commands I wrote it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. 7 operations I wrote it here. Did you understand, mom? This is called the perfect execution will be taking up. Come on, output, can you decide it? Can you decide the output now? You go for it. First one, how it is working, you take the flow, all of you. 12. What is the 12 indicates? This one. For I in range of what? 12. 12 times the commands are going to come. What the first command is going to come, students? This one. This one will be coming. First one. What the value reading? List command. This insert will be coming. What is the insert here? Insert of what? 0 and then called what? 5. 0, 1, 2. What is this now? LST of command of 0. What is the value here? Insert. Insert is equal to print false. Coming to next, insert is equal to sort, false. Go to insert is equal to reverse, false. Insert is equal to false, pop, false. Remove, false. Append, false. Coming to what? Last, insert is equal to this one, true. True means what? Get the index, and get the value. There you are going to insert. Our LST will contain what? LST will contain 5. 5 is present there. Next I'm going to take it. Insert of what? 1 comma 10. Same thing. It is all becoming false, false, false. Second time also comes to the same insert only. What is this now? 1 comma 10. What the LST contain? 5 comma 10 will be available like this. 5 comma 10 will be available like this. Next insert of 0 comma 6. What is an output will be coming? 6 comma 5 comma 10 will be there. This is called the first output. You see the output now, students? Are you following? This output also I am showing. First time you will be getting this. Next you are going to get a print. Print. When you are getting the print here, command trace out the print here. Again print. Next command is printer. So this is the one. First one is printer. LST of printer. This output will be coming. This output will be coming. Next, go to the remove of 6. Remove of 6 we are going. Remove of 6. It will go to the remove. First one, remove, no. Next, remove sort, no. Remove false, remove true. And get the value. What is the value there? 6. 6 is removed from LST. That means when 6 is removed, only 510 is available. Only 510 is available. Next is called what? Append. Append. 510 is available. Append. When you come to append, what is happening? Append value will be done. Appending. What is the value there? 6 was removed. It is a 5 and then 10 and it is 9 is available like that. Next after that append 1 also. This is called 5, 10, 9, 1 will be done. After that sort. Sort means it is going to be getting sorted. 1 comma 5 comma 9 comma 10. This is a sorted data because sort function is already there, sorting the data. And after that we print it, pop off. Once you pop off, 10 will be removed. 10 will be removed. And the next reverse. Reverse means what? It is becoming what? 9, 5, 1. And print. It is going to be printed. This is an output. Is it clear? Is my code is clear? Is my code is clear, mom? All of you. Good. Nice. So I hope this is not a difficulty for you. I hope you understood this part. Okay. So now I will execute my code. Run the code. Now you are going to get it. Any something errors are there here. Getting here some sort of inputs are there. Some spacing is there, students. So go to that place. Some error is there, it seems. What is that error? I'm going to take it. Something I will run this code again. So here you see it is going to be given. Again, runtime error is coming. Empty separator. Empty separator is going to be coming. Split off. Input off. So some space. Strip off. Input off. For I in range of. What is the error, ma? What the error is coming? Input off. Strip off. Split off like this. So I hope anywhere else any mistakes are there. List commands and you try to run this and giving an error here. What is this now? List CMD not defined. LST CMD. Okay. So it is going to be given an error over there. What is that? List CMD. List CMD. Somewhere else. LST CMD is available. Okay. This is called list CMD. Wherever it is available, list CMD, you try to make it. LST CMD. List CMD. LIST CMD. Okay. So now you try to submit. Spelling mistake. Spelling mistake. So I mean line number 17 also one more. Line number 17 also one more line. Where is the line number 17? Okay. List CMD. List CMD. Okay. So try to run this. So students, you got it. This output we got it. So I think you got it now. So we got it, all the cases satisfied. Once you do this operation, output is coming as usual. Whatever the output they are giving to us, same type of output is coming and expected output like that. What you got it and here also same. So after writing this code, you can say submit. You can submit the code once you say submit. Once you test by yourself, internally it will do its own test cases. So here we are getting success here and all the test cases internally performed. I hope, my dear students, you understood this type of logic. This type of logic related code I will submit and from here after we regularly try to take this type of classes so that it enhance your skill rather than regular classroom programs. If you do this kind of programs, you also will have different environment to understand it. Online students, is it understandable to you people? Is it first of all easy to understand or difficult to understand? Is it kind of code is difficult or easy? It is easy, but the only thing is you have to analyze the question first. It is easy, but it is really very useful thing. You have to go for this coding like anything, right? Now, I will go to the further explanation now, further kind of thing. Sir, can I do the same example in PyCharm? You can do in PyCharm also. As I already said to you, my dear students, you carry this example, you carry this example in PyCharm. If you want to do it, I will go something like this. Please observe it. Last class already we discussed it. PyCharm here. Go to this place. Close this now. Close this project. So I'm going to take this example. Last class also we discussed it. Problem number. Next problem I am taking. Problem 2.py. So there I am trying to take up. These are my comments. But be careful. This type of things are very, very important. Are very important. Yes. So, yes, Pawan, that is exactly. Because once you see, read this question, na, it will be difficult. That's why example also they will give you. By seeing this example, it will be more easy. They are giving what is the input, what is the output. This is one of the easiest part for you. Now, come to the pie chart. Come to the pie chart. This part I want to execute. What is my statements? Now I need to run my code. How do you run this code? Now it is waiting. No more output is given. Earlier in the hacker rank platform, they are taking directly this output. But I will take this input to be given manually. So I will carry this input as it is, students. I will carry this output as it is. Here I will post as it is to you. See the answer now. So you got it. The output is coming like this. Are you seeing this output now, ma? So whatever the output, we got it, and we are getting the same output now. We are getting the same output now. This is called manual operations. Manual operations, these are called. So I think you are getting it. So these are all operations. Whatever the result is there, same result even in the PyCharm also we are getting it. Okay, now can I go to the next example? Can I go to the next example, students? Quickly. Right, good. And this question, which I am going to enter into that is one of the NIT related placement question, my dear students. NIT related placement question this is. Please follow. NIT related placement questions. Very, very perfect. Right. So let us observe this. Let us observe this kind of question here. So let me go to the full screen here. Look at it's really it is one of the NIT related question. So there is one student who is in my evening 6 o'clock batch, which is already completed. Amit Agarwal, his student name is. Still, they will attend NumPy Pandas class of mine once again. That batch, that student got this type of question in their academics. That part I am going to give you. You are given a positive integer. Please follow this carefully. You are given a positive integer value. I'm going to give you, you are given a positive integer value. So here, the problem number 4, I'm going to take it. Your task is to print palindrome triangle. Palindrome triangle whose size is n. What is the palindrome triangle, my dear students? Can you just tell me now? Palindrome triangle. 1. Next is called what? 1, 2, 1. Next is called what? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Next is called what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this. This is called what? Palindrome triangle. It is not only like that. You can also take care about this one. 1, 1, 2, 1. It is called 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. It is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that I want to go for it. Like this also you can go for like this, students. This you must write it in what? This is the put a condition. You can't take more than 2 lines. This is the most beautiful question, students. The first line for statement, for loop they are saying, and is already written by you. Is already written by you. And you have to complete the code exactly one print statement they are saying. They are going to say exactly one print statement only they are going to say. So you need to write the code over there. What question they need to write? What question they are writing? You need to write, you cannot take more than 2 lines. First line for a statement is already written for you. They said already written, they are saying. You have to complete the code exactly one print statement only. Look at the anything read a strings will be given a score 0. If you read more than one for statement, you are going to given a 0 score will be given. Now, my simple input is called 5. What is this input value? It is going to be, already they are saying we wrote a for loop. You write only one statement called what? For loop only you need to, they are writing only one print statement you need to write, they are saying. already written for you internally. You need to write exactly one print statement. I will write that print statement. Writing that print statement is very danger. What is that print statement? I am going to write it. Now I am going to take up. My dear students, I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. Observe it. Sample input. Print a palindrome triangle whose size is n as explained above. Now n is equal to 5. 5. 5, that is called 5 entries. First entry, second entry, third entry, fourth entry, fifth entry. This palindrome triangle you need to print it. Shall we start off? Shall we start, students? Can you tell me now? Right. Now I'm going to write it. I'm going to write two logics I will give you, mom. Two logics I will give you. First, of course, this logic, whether the teacher did not invent or first I will show you here. First I will show you here. Normal code I will write. That is, in this code I will write. I will carry the same code over there. This is called a problem number 3. This code, this formula, you need to remember. I will write the formula. Try to remember this. For I in range of, for I in range of 1 comma, you need to start with 5 means 5 palindrome triangles. What is that now? Int of, input of, input of, I am going to write it. Input of, what type it is going to be? What type it is going to be? Integer. Plus 1 I am going to write it. Plus 1 I am going to write it. Be careful. If I say 5, when I enter value from keyboard, what is this is going to be? STR. STR is converted into which type? 5. 5 plus 1 is called what? 6. It is as good as similar to what? For I in range of, for I in range of 1 comma 6. 1 comma 6. That means it is ready to take 5 repetitions. 5 repetitions. What is the value of I? My dear students, please tell me. What is the value of I? What are the values of I? I'm just have a trail code here. What is the trail code here? It is getting printed here. What happens? Print of I. Okay, that's true. I will run my code and I say 5. What is the value here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got it. Now, this 5, I am going to print one beautiful statement. Can I write one single line here? Can I write one single line? This formula you have to remember. Luckily, when you go to any product-based companies, if this type of questions are coming, like hacker rank related question like that, and it is almost we are going to be selected with a high package because the written test is only the criteria over there. Because I have seen this question is changed the different life of different internship students also in the colleges. When they are writing Google internships, Amazon internships, they give directly this question and giving only few minutes of time. Write one single print statement which will print the Pascal triangle, palindrome triangle. Palindrome triangle they are asking to print. So there I will write. I will trace it out also, student. Print of. I am going to write it here. I am writing 10. I will write 10 star star I star star I minus 1, 10 star star I minus 1 of, I am writing there star star 2 star star 2 double slash by 81. 81. That's all. I will trace it out. All the people try to start understanding. What is the value of I? Everybody participate in the discussion. I am assume that I am entering what? 5. 5, 5. Or you take the value called, for example, small triangle, you take it. N is called what here? 3. What is the value of I? What is the value of I? 1 will come, later 2 will come, later 3 will come. First I value is called 1. Please take this now. 10, rough work I am taking. 10 star star what? I. 10 star star I minus 1. I means what here? 1. What is the value of this one? 10 star star 1 means 10 minus 1 is called 9. Star star 2 is called, what is the answer here? 81. by what year? 81. 81 double slash by 81. It is called what? 1 is an answer. What the value printed? 1 will be printed. Is it okay? Is it okay? Clear? First iteration, it is 1 is printed. Come on, go. Go to next. What is the value of this I? What is the value of I? 2. 2. Start the calculation again. 10 star star 2. 10 star star 2. How much? 100. 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 is called what? 100 minus 1, how much more? 99. 99 star star 2. 99 star star 2. Take your calculator and do that. 99 star star 2. 99 into 99. How much more? How much more? 99. This is called 100. 100. 10 square means 100 minus 1. 99. 99 square. 980101. Double slash by what? 81. Again. Come on. Divided by 81. Can anybody can say what is an answer? 121. It is going to be printed next line as what? 121. Are you getting me? Come on. Are you getting me? Right. Next value, please. What is the next value there? 3. I value will be 3. Come on, the calculation, please. 10 star star 3. 10 star star 3, which is called what? 1000. 1000 minus 1, which is called 999 star star 2. Star star 2. 999 star star 2 into 999. It is going to be 999. What is an answer now? 998001 by what? Double slash by what? 81. 81. Here it is going to be called what? Come on. What is the answer is coming? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So it is going to print 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This is for 3 times only. If I go to 4 times, 4 times, 5 times, is it loop is repeated or not? Come on, is this loop is repeated or not? Did you understand this beautiful logic? This is not invented by a single teacher or somebody. Some scientist was designed it. They will carry the same formula. They will carry the same formula. Try to run this. Now I am going to say 3. What is the answer is coming? 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. You run this once again, say here 5. You say 5. What is the output is coming? 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Right? Wonderful logic. Yes. This you have to remember it. When you go to your big coding competitions, if luckily this type of question is coming, we should able to answer this type of question. So I will write it. I will write this code. Which code I will write? This statement I am going to write it. They are asking to write what? One line of code only. Which code this is written here? Here. You can't write more than 2 lines. First line for statement is already written for you. You have to complete the code exactly one print statement. Exactly one print statement only they said. Try to run this code. Try to run this code and see the output of it. It is going to be given processing that and you are getting an error. I is not defined they are saying. Of course, what type of variable they are taking, they are not given to us. N is there. So I will write it a positive integer n. Print a palindrome triangle of what? N. So if at all, if we go to this for loop they did not show here, students. That is the main point. If I write n, I will try to run it by taking that kind of thing. So here I am writing it again. Again, I will take by taking the n, which is written in that. N is also not given. What I do is, I will write the statement as this. This statement I will write as this. So coming to this place because this part, this is the code they are written it here. So this you try to remove it. This is the code which is written. Now run this code. Now got it. Got it. 5. Input is called 5. And this is an output. Here is an output. Students. So I wrote 2 lines of code. They said to write it. I wrote 2 lines of code. 2 lines of code. So if I take n, you can write it. Submit this code. So that's it. They're all testing internally. All test cases will be checking. This is most wonderful logic here. This is a most wonderful logic. You need to remember it. Students, I hope you people are understanding the beauty of this logic. So students, is these sessions are useful to you or not? If these sessions are useful to you or not? Most useful sessions these are. Right. Next, students, even if I go to my example, if I run my example customization, if I say something like 8, it is going to give you what? See, palindrome triangle is coming. For 8 values, it is coming. 8 palindrome triangle is coming. That is called palindrome triangle is coming. This is for customization purpose. One more logic I want to tell you, students. The same logic I will tell you in one more way. So after session is over, you need to take this code like that and you need to trace it out. One more code I will write it, mom. This is one thing. Now I'm going to write it print of or I will write it or. One more code I will write it print of. One more code I am writing. What is another code? Same to same I will take it. The another way of writing this code is like this. What is that code? You observe it. Here I am writing print of same to same only. I will take it print of very easy. So I'm going to write it 10 star I of I. Here I will write it of I divided by 9 divided by 9 star star 2 I am writing star star 2. I hope this is 10 star star I minus 1. Is this one more close? One more close. Star star this 2 is one more bracket. Oh, yes. Now it is going to be students. You see ma, one more tracing, one more logic I am writing. So take an example here. This anyhow you are taking 3. Here also you take it 3. For 1 minute you trace it out. N is equal to 3. This input is called 3. 3. That means it is going to be 1, 2, 3 is going to be ready. What is the value of I? 1. What is this now? 10 into I. 10 into 1. 10 star star 1 minus 1, which is called a 9 by 9 by 9. That is called a 9 double slash 9 is called a 1. This is going to be 1. What is this now? 1 star star 2. 1 star star 2 is called what? 1 is getting printed. Is it okay? Next I value is called what? 2. I value is called 2. What is the value here now? 10 star star. 10 star star 2 minus 1, which is called 900, 100 minus 1, which is called 90, 99, 99 double slash by 9. How much? How much more? 11, 11, 11 star star 2, 11 star star 2, 121. This is called 121. So beautiful. So beautiful. Next value is called 3, 3. 3 means what? 3 star I. 3 star I means what? 1000. 1000 minus 1, which is called a 999. 999 by 9. How much? How much? 111 into what? 2. What is an answer? What is an answer? So this 111 answer is going to be called what? You know, students. You know, 111 into what? 2. It is going to be Something missing, huh? Is it missing, ma'am? 10 star 3 minus 1. 1000 minus 1. 999. So 999 divided by 9, which is going to be triple one. Triple one star star 2, which is going to be how much? It is going to be, I think so, when 3 is coming, 10, okay, into 10 into 10. It is called 1000. 1000 minus 1 is 1 by 9. It is going to be like this. Okay. Star star 2. It is going to be star star 2. Not single star. Star star 2. It is correct. It is correct. Yeah, yeah. Understood, ma'am. 111 into 111. It is going to be same. The output is 12321 only. Correct. Correct, students. So it is coming 12321 is going to be coming. This is an out. Another logic. This is. I hope you are understanding. This is another logic. Did you understand this logic also, ma? This logic is one. This logic is one more. So execute. Now I will enter first three. First the kind of thing for this one. For this I will enter one more in after the result is coming. I got it. Next 5 I am entering. 5. For this 5 is coming. For this 5 is for this logic. This logic is going to come. So I think students, this is more clear about it. Is it clear, ma? Did you understand this example now? So I think most beautiful logic, you got it. Very good. This is, please keep in mind, this type of questions are regular. Now, one more kind of question I want to go for it. One more kind of thing I want to go for it. This is called a one thing. Next, I want to go for one more kind of thing. Shall I go to the one more example, ma? Can I go to one more example? Go to the next example. That is the last example. I'm going to take it. Let's move to this place. Got success here. Next, one more kind of example I'm going to take it. Try to follow. Yes, ma, definitely. Srilata, I will post definitely, my dear student. I will post ma. This all these examples I will post it. So here I will go to this place. This place here. I hope so. This question I will post it. This type of question I will post it. So here I will get it. So I will go to this problem statement. You observe it. This is also called one more kind of solution. This kind of thing I want to get it. So in this place, I will go to okay, this type of question like this. I want to go for it. This type of question I want to go for it. It is not opening the link properly, students. So I think 1 minute. I will take up to here. One minute. So this problem, uh, I will take this one. So this type of problem, there is something like giving something. Some error is coming, students. Dot. This question is coming, but this is giving a problem. One. This you try to open it. This question you see. This is my question here. This is my question. So this type of question I want to get it. Okay. So this problem I want to solve it. Now, how do you do this now? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6 like this. If n is going to be 6, I want 6 rows. All the entries I need to get. 1, 1 time, 2, 2 times, 3, 3 times, 4, 4 times, 5, 5 times, 6, 6 times. You need to go for it. That too, it is going to contain how many lines? You are given a positive integer. Print all numerical triangle with a height of n minus 1 like below. So example they are giving n is equal to 5. 5 means what? N minus 1 prints you need to write it. 5 means up to 4 only you need to print. And I hope that this also to be written in how many lines? One line only. Here are they are giving. No more, use more, no more than 2 lines. So first line is a for loop and you have to complete the print statement only. You have to write only 2 lines of code. Only 2 lines of code you need to write it. How to write the 2 lines of code? Shall we write this logic also, students? Can you tell me this logic also? Can we write it? Come on, fast. So let us go to this example. One more example, I will take it here. From in this place, I will search it. Problem number 4, I'm going to take it. As usual, for I in, range of, int of, input of, I'm going to take it. Input of, I'm going to take it. Plus 1, I'm going to take it. Input of, plus 1, I'm going to take it. So because of that, what is happening? This logic was already written it. Now I'm going to write. What is that? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 like that I want to get it. How to do that? Now I'm going to take it. Now I'm going to write it. Print of, print of. What is the statement I'm writing, students? Then I into, I'm going to write it. This is also supposed to be rememberable, my dear students. Star star I, star star I, star star I, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, double slash by 9, double slash by 9. That's all. Double slash by 9. So I'm going to take. So start now. What is the value I'm entering? 4 you take it. 4. All of you. 4. 4 means what is ready to take it? 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, 10 plus 1 you are saying na 1 to 5. 1 to 5. You are supposed to write 1 comma 1 comma 5. Because these logics are very critical to understand. Once you understand na, it will be simple. If I say 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 plus 1 we are saying na, that's why. First value, I value 1. Now what is the formula here? 1 into, what is the value here? 10 to the power of 5. That is called 10 minus 1 double slash by what? 9. So this is what you have to do first. This is what you have to do first. What is this answer now? 10 minus 1, 9. 9 slash 9. What is the answer? 1 into 1 is called 9 into 9 by 9 is called 9. 1 into 1 is called 1. What is printed here? 1 is printed. What is the next value called? 2. Come on, 2. Start with 2 star. What is this now? 10 star star I. 10 star star I. That is called 10 double star 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 2. It is the 100. 100 minus what? 1. What is that answer? 99. 99 by what? 99 by what? 9. How much? How much? Answer. Screen is not sharing up. Oh, why it is not sharing, my dear friends? Screen is already shared. Is my screen is already visible? Your screen is visible? No. So it might be small net problem, I think so, my dear friends. Small net issue. Is it visible now? Is it visible, students? Is it visible now? Okay, now visible. Okay, let us start here. Okay, students, start now. Already there was one is printed. What was our tracing value? 4 I said, na? 1, 2, 3, 4. What was the value completed? 1. 2. Let us go to the 2. What is the formula here? 2 into, what is the value there? 10 star star I. That is called a 10 square. That is called 100. Minus 1. Minus 1. Double slash by what? 9. 9. What is the value there? 2 double star 99 by 99 by 9. Which is called how much? 2 star 11. 2 star 11. What is the answer now? 22. So it is going to print to 22. 22. What is the next value here? 3. 3. What is the 3 here? 3 star of, what is the value there? 10 star 3. How much? How much? 1000. 1000 minus 1. 999. 999 by what? 9. How much is an answer? 3 star. How much is an answer? 111. What is an answer now? 333. This is an answer now. 333. This is an answer. Like that 4 also. Same to same. 444. Are you following me now, students? Is it clear for you people? Come on. Now I'm going to enter into the further. Now I'm entering into the further. Run this code. See, my dear students, I'll say 4. Now 4 is going to be here. 4 is going to be here. Are you understanding this now? 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Is it clear for all of you students? Right? You go to the 5. You go to the 5. To the 5. We are going to get all these things 5, 5, 5. Okay. If you want anything else, if you want only the less than that, if you want, go to that. You can say here called what, 6. You say up to 5 is coming. So somebody is saying 20. Somebody is saying 20. It is going to come something like this. All these things. They given a constraint for us. What is the constraint they are giving? What is the constraint they are giving? The constraint is given there. The value called up to 9 only. Devyarupai. The constraint is called what? 9. Up to 9 only. Understand? So according to the constraints we have to follow. This is called one type of logic. So I'm going to take up this logic. Here I'm going to write it. So I'm going to write it, this entire code written. Are you following, my dear students, this one? Then you say this kind of concept. What is the answer now? N minus 1, na? N minus 1. So definitely this is not necessary to write it like this. I'm saying. Try to run this code. Say this now. It is going to be running this and it is going to be 5 and 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. If you write by mistake as a regular story, if you write by mistake +1, if you write it, it will be giving to you an error. That's why reading the documentation is very, very important. This wrong answer is coming. Reading the documentation is very, very important. That is, they are testing your arithmetic operation in a single for loop with a print statement. They are testing your efficiency like this. So, coming to the point back, here I will write it. Up to n minus 1 only, I will say here, run this code. Now you got an output. You can submit this. You can submit. So go to the place, you can submit the code like this. All test cases will be checked internally. All test cases will be done. So test case mechanism is done. So you got it. All the test cases checked it here. Like that, one can start doing this type of logics. So I think students, you are, I think so, you got clarity about my explanation in today's session. You got clarity about in my today's class, right? So students, so go to the place. Uh, Once we understand the question, writing the code will become dead easy because these are all our part of the sessions only, right, students? And I already announced you, ma. So Monday, this is the coming Monday, NumPy Pandas, NumPy Pandas. So Rashmi, hello sir, I have been waiting for 3 months for NumPy Pandas class. I have talked to management. They said you only take Python. A small request, please take NumPy Pandas and Django. You also said you also said you will take NumPy classes Django. I'm taking one. I'm taking. I'm taking. So I'm taking that. Right. Okay, mom. Naik. Me too. Me too, Naik. See, mom, myself only if I take all such classes, because it is a more, my schedule is not enough. When my schedule is there, they will schedule it. They are now scheduling na, like that they will schedule it. Definitely, my dear students. So, uh, Chandan Kumar. At present, all schedules busy. All two slots are starting now. Two slots are slots starting, and there are no more slots are left out. If any such a slot, new slot is there in 4 p.m., that will be going to. So, Sandhya, right, ma'am? So, yes, go to nareshit.com, www.nareshit.com. There, my name is there. NumPy Pandas batch. You register over there. Ansari, my class maybe it will take again so a lot of time, lot of time again. If you miss it now, it's a problem for all of them. Again, it may not be starting again. It will take a lot of time. Don't miss the classes. Very, very important session because I'm teaching projects over here. Projects over here. Don't miss it. So, thank you, students. I will stop my session. Satya Gopal. So, first, this is starting. So, Django at present, it is not starting. I will upload the classroom link now itself. So you said to all your friends and friends who are completed Python from our class, who are waiting for NumPy Pandas class, tell to all your friends. Okay, friends? Tell to all your friends. Intimate to all your friends who are your classmates who are having contacts with you people. Anyway, I will keep it in the Google Classroom. Intimate to all your friends. Okay, students? So I'll stop my session now and I'll stop my session. Now you are to. Yes, I will post it. I will post it in the Google Classrooms on all your places. I will post it. Okay. Thank you. All the best. And today is only the last class, ma. This class, these classes are there, na. Today is only the class, and tomorrow it is not there. And only 2 days I'm little free. I'm taking these classes. And the next in coming days, if anything is possible, if I am free, something like that, I will go for conducting the sessions like that. One day before I will intimate, few days before I will intimate these classes. Right? Thank you. All the best. Good day. I think any more doubts are there? You can ask me, students. All students, you try to attend my NumPy Pandas classes. Any relatives and friends are there? Intimate them about our full stack Python also. because you have seen how much effectively we discussed our Python sessions. Try to intimate to all the sessions. Right, Abdul Rahman. In the printf statements, the logic is your own or its formula. It is our formula, it is like a formula in the sense based on many logics we develop it. And once we look at that pattern automatically we can prepare our own formula like this. Okay, right. So Rashmi, again DSA classes. Now only full busy with all 5 slots. Django, DSA, so many courses. So thank you for your all interested in my courses, but slots are very less, ma. So don't misunderstand me. Whatever the batches which are start right now available, try to attend my classes. So Gokul Raj, so Monday what classes you missed it? Attend 6 p.m. only. No need to attend morning class. If you want, you can attend demo classes only, na? You can attend. Right, students. Thank you. All the best.